Hi there folks, Solon here from Champlain Valley Organics and Vermont Pure CBD products, here to answer some of your frequently asked questions about CBD and what we do here on the farm. So if you're new to CBD, you may be asking, well, what the heck is CBD? CBD is an acronym for cannabidiol, a non-psychotropic compound found in the cannabis plant. All mammalian species possess an endocannabinoid system, or ECS, which regulates many vital bodily functions such as sleep, appetite, immune system responses, hormone production, and mood. CBD works by interacting with this endocannabinoid network to assist in its task of maintaining bodily functions. So what's the difference between full-spectrum CBD and CBD isolate? Well, full-spectrum CBD is a plant extract that contains the widest array of plant compounds found in hemp. Research has proven that full-spectrum products are much more effective. These compounds as a whole contribute to the medicinal benefit as they work synergistically. During his studies in the late 90s, Dr. Ethan Russoff proclaimed that the phytocannabinoids' interaction with terpenoids and other compounds create an outcome greater than the sum of their parts, a phenomenon he coined the entourage effect. CBD isolate, on the other hand, is only the singular crystallized CBD molecule, without any of the other hundreds of plant compounds found in full spectrum. We highly encourage you to read our blog post that scientifically contrasts full spectrum CBD to CBD isolate, so you can know the difference and see why full spectrum CBD is much more beneficial to you. So you may be wondering where our hemp material comes from. Here at Vermont Pure CBD, we grow all of our own USDA certified organic hemp on our farm in Shoreham. We only use sustainable agricultural practices, and we don't use any synthetic inputs or any pesticides whatsoever. So you might be wondering whether there's a difference in CBD extraction methods. The ideology of CBD extraction, or any liquid, solid extraction for that matter, is generally the same. A solvent is used to procure a particular compound or compounds from a solute. In regards to CBD oil, the solvent would be CO2, ethanol, or lipid, and the solute would be the hemp plant material. There is, however, an enormous difference in extraction methods in terms of the quality and efficiency of the resulting CBD oil that will go into any product. I'll briefly go over the four main methods used in the industry today. It's good to note that the only extraction process we use is ethanol extraction, due to its safety, and it's the only process which makes what we call a true full-spectrum oil. So CO2 or carbon dioxide extraction consists of greater than 95% of the CBD products on the market today. This process utilizes extreme pressure and low temperature to maintain a liquid phase of CO2, which is usually a gas. This is used to wash the hemp plant material. The resulting oil contains only a fraction of the spectrum of plant compounds compared to ethanol extraction. This is due to CO2's lack of molecular polarity, meaning that the wide diversity of all the different plant compounds that can adhere to it and be extracted is significantly limited. Ethanol, on the other hand, or food-grade alcohol, is the same type of alcohol that you find in beer, wine, or hard liquor. This process is used to wash the hemp plant material. The resulting oil contains what we call a true full spectrum, comprised of almost all the plant compounds found in the hemp material. This is because the polarity of the ethanol molecule is stark, which means almost any compound can adhere to it. So lipid extraction uses oils such as MCT, coconut, sunflower, or canola oils with the application of heat to extract hemp. This process uses a common oil, generally the type of oil that would be used as the base oil for the final product. The lipid is used to wash or soak the hemp plant material in. The resulting oil is much like the results of CO2 extraction, limited in diversity of plant compounds, as oil solvents are extremely nonpolar and have a negatable binding capacity. Our last extraction method is butane, or other hydrocarbon extractions. This process is essentially analogous to CO2 extraction, however the resulting oil is even less molecularly diverse in hemp plant compounds than that of CO2. Of the 4 extraction methods that I've gone over here, this one actually poses the potential danger of solvent contaminants in the resulting oil if not done correctly.